Now, what is AI? What is artificial intelligence? Are you still wondering why we don't have flying cars, or why don't we have these robots serving us breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Well, if these are kind of questions, then in this video, in the most simplest of terms, we're going to explain you what exactly is artificial intelligence. So, why don't you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the video ahead. Hello everyone, my name is Afreen Rahman, and in this video we're going to take up the burning question of what is artificial intelligence. But before we answer that, let's look at these terms individually, right? What do you understand by the term artificial? Well, it can be anything that is made by human beings, things that are non-natural, right? And what do you understand by the word intelligence, right? Now, intelligence is the ability to understand things and then learn from it, right? So, what do you get when you combine these two together? Artificial intelligence. So, artificial intelligence is a broad area of computer science that makes machines seems like they have human intelligence, right? The pool of artificial intelligence is to mimic the human brain and create systems that can function intelligently and independently, right? They say, usually you must have heard, people say that the age of AI is here. But then you might be wondering why, like I said, why don't we see flying cars, right? Or why don't we see a robot bring us lunch, right? Why doesn't our life look like, remember that cartoon we have seen when we were kids, the Jetsons? Why doesn't our life still look like that? Well, for starters, let me tell you, Jetsons is just a cartoon. But when it comes to AI, a robot is nothing. Usually, if you see, it's more of a shell that is concealing what is used to power this technology, right? And AI doesn't really mean that you'll see robots. AI can manifest itself in many different ways. So, for example, if you have ever used Alexa, or probably if you have ever asked Alexa to order your food, or let's say browse your Netflix movie suggestions, you are actually interacting with AI without even realizing it. And that's the kind of point of it, right? AI is designed so that you do not realize that a machine is actually calling the shots for you. So, in the near future, AI is expected to become a little less artificial and a lot more intelligent, right? So, as AI becomes more intelligent, it will obviously take on the role of the intelligent worker, right? So, while most of the references and largely time oriented tasks can be automated using the AI, right? We will still, at any time of the I would say in future, we will still need human experts who can build and maintain these synthetic bots, right? And work on strategic and creative aspects of the job. So, in conclusion, artificial intelligence is a boon that can help optimize any job in the field in the future. This means that, as always, it's not going to be AI versus humans. This is not going to be any a Terminator war. Rather, it is going to be a combination of humans and AI versus the actual problem statement. So, what are you waiting for? You pull up your socks and get ready to join that AI revolution that's in the making, and start learning this trending technology using some really expertly curated programs that Instead has to offer. The link there in the description box. Please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button. This is the very generalistic explanation of AI that I've given. Until next time, happy learning. Bye bye.